September 2021 Petit Vour subscription box. So I want to get this one up right away for you guys, so that way if anybody's interested in it, you know what's in the September box, or at least my September box. So let's get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. When you open it up, it says be bold, be kind, and then it has like a little card on there that tells you what everything is. So we know we're gonna need our glasses. So this is the September beauty box, and this is all vegan and cruelty-free products that come from Petit Vour. It's a monthly subscription box. You have your choice of either just the regular beauty box, which is what I'm on, and it's $18 a month, or you can get the plus box, and that one's $25 a month. The regular beauty box, you get about $50 worth of products for $18 a month, or the plus box, you get over $100 worth of products, and that's just $25 a month. And I will show you, I took out the cards so you can see the goodies inside. So these are all like sample size. So the first thing we have is the Avio lip serum for $19. It's a smoothing lip serum packed with the healing power of hemp and peppermint. So let's see, this is the lip serum. I have lipstick on, so I'm not going to put any on my lips. Oh my gosh, it's hard to get out. You have to squeeze really hard, but it's like pinky type colored. And it's very smooth. Oh, it smells like peppermint. Oh man. Because it felt really smooth and soft, and where I put it on my hand feels really smooth. And it has like a slight tint, and it's peppermint. I love anything peppermint scented. So let's see what's next. 3 ships, Purify Oil and Amino Acid Cleanser, and it's for $6. So that's this. That looks really cute. It says natural amino acids replenish your skin's moisture barrier, cleansing without stripping your skin of natural oils. Oh, well, that sounds really nice. So this is a nice little cleanser. It has aloe, which should be soothing. I mean, oh, it smells good. Oh, jeez, it like just pours right out. So it pours right out. It's like a tannish color, and it feels good. It smells clean, like something you'd want to use. So I don't know, I'm excited to try that. All right, let's see what's next. Organic Riot Dazzle Serum for $12. Okay, so that's this one that came in this box. It says a potent formula that brightens and targets pigmentation, dark spots, acne scars, and uneven skin tones. Okay, so this says after cleansing, apply onto the face, focusing on troubled areas. For best results, apply twice a day. If you have dry skin, use Smog Block, a moisturizer over Dazzle. So what does this have in it? Because it tells you that what I worry about this is that it's going to be something that I have really sensitive dry skin, so I'm not sure if this is going to be right for me. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. Let's see. I just put a very small amount. I'm scared of it. It doesn't smell like anything. I mean, it feels nice. It's just like a nice little cream. I don't know. I'll try it. I want to research the ingredients though. I'm always scared of things that they talk about, like evening out your skin tone or getting rid of hyperpigmentation, because lots of the times I'm afraid it's going to have something like vitamin C or retinoids or something in it, that I have to be really careful with those things, just because my skin is so sensitive and dry, but we'll see. Okay, next is the Kypris Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer for $15. This is this one. It's very small. It's one of these that has like a sample inside the card. And it says formulated with sustainability and ethically sourced mica and shea. Well, that's nice. It says has ocean extracts to hydrate, soothe, and smooth, and brighten the appearance of delicate skin around your eyes. Well, everybody knows I'm a sucker for an eye cream. It's like super small. Gently pat thin layer around eye. I love a good eye cream. I really do. And it's in this like teeny little thing. So it just must mean that this is like gold. Oh my gosh. I don't even know how you're supposed to get it out. It's like a little jar. It's like, I will have to get like a little spatula to get it out. I can get a little bit out for now. It leaves like, I don't know. It feels like it leaves like a film on my skin, but I've also put a lot of stuff on this hand, so maybe that's it. I'm never really somebody who likes an illuminating eye anything, because that means that you put something in it to make it shine. And I cover all of that up anyways. I don't really like an eye cream that's like an eye illuminator. I never really understand the point of that. I don't know. I never understand the point, because I like a good eye cream because it makes me feel happy. It feels good when I'm applying it. So I'll try it. We'll see. All right. And then the last thing is Derma-e Essentials Radiance Toner for $3. An alcohol-free exfoliating beauty toner with glycolic acid to tone, tighten, and brighten for soft, smooth, and luminous appearance. So it's just like a little sample of Derma-e. I have a couple of Derma-e products that I love. I'm using the Derma-e eye cream that I love, and then I'm using a makeup remover, love it. And I've been vacillating trying Derma-e skincare products, and I haven't decided yet. So this will be interesting to try. It says how to use. Apply to cotton pad and sweep gently over face and neck after cleansing, avoiding eye area. Use in the morning and evening to prep skin for your favorite Derma-e moisturizer. I'm just going to open up the whole top. It smells like something. I don't know what. It smells like a toner. Sunburn alert. This product contains an AHA that might increase your skin's sensitivity for the sun, particularly the possibility of sunburn. Use sunscreen. So this is something I will not use during the day. So this is going to be like a chemical exfoliator as far as I can tell. And that's great, but I would rather use that at night for myself because I have very fair skin that's very sensitive. I do sunburn extremely easy, so anything that could make the chance of sunburning even more likely, I'm going to use that product at night. So I will try this at night and see how it does. I'm afraid it might be too much for me to use every day, morning and night. I think this is maybe something you use like every once in a while. Sounds like it might be better for me, but I don't know. I'm excited to try it. We'll see, because I don't have, so this is the thing. I don't have an exfoliator because I had previously been using a physical exfoliator, and I didn't realize that you should not be using a physical exfoliator, you know, something like a scrub on your face. And with doing this YouTube channel, I've been doing lots of research because I'm trying to find all new vegan and skincare products. And with doing all that research, I'm starting to learn more, and I'm starting to learn that you should use a chemical exfoliator like an AHA, or what's the other one? Like, I don't know everything. Like, if I say stuff wrong, like, you can say so in the comments and that'll just help me learn. But like an AHA, or is it a DHA, that you want to use a chemical exfoliator. It's actually better and healthier for your skin. You don't want to use it too often. And so that's why when I saw it's an AHA, I just know from doing my research that's great. It's a chemical exfoliator, but I don't think that's something I want to use every day. And you definitely do not want to use a physical exfoliator. Anything that's a scrub, that's all harsh, and it can actually do micro tears on your skin. Yeah, so it's not good. So this is the September beauty box. I have to tell you, I don't know how I feel about it. Like, I'm excited for the lip product. I'm excited to try that Derma-e product. I mean, I'm excited to try it all. I'm not like overly pumped for this box though. And I'm not sure if I'm going to do the October box or not. I still have to think about that. So I will decide if I'm going to do it, but there is the Kinder Beauty box, and I think I'm gonna subscribe to that one for October and see how that box is. It's another vegan cruelty free subscription box, so I might try that one. Why not try something else and just see what the other vegan boxes are like. I like this one. Last month I liked it too, but I don't know if I want to spend $18 every month for the little samples, because I haven't really got anything that's made me go, oh my gosh, I love this, I want to buy more of this, you know. So we'll see. I'll try some of these products, see if I love them. And maybe I'll do one more month. I mean, maybe 2 months isn't enough time. Maybe I need to try one more month and see. I am going to subscribe to the October Kinder Beauty box, and I have the links to both of them in the description, so that way you can check both of them out and see. But if you want to wait until October when I get the Kinder Beauty box, then I'll do a review of that one as well, and that will kind of let me see which one so far I like. Anyways, so I like it. I'm not like overly happy and like going, oh my gosh, this is going to be so great. We'll see. I'll try the products. We'll see. If anything, it helps me try new products, new brands, and see if there's brands that I like that are vegan and cruelty free. So that's the part I do like. And so we'll keep trying and look for my future boxes and reviews. Please give this video a like and subscribe. I really, really appreciate help. Share this with your friends. Watch all my videos all the way through. The more support I get, the more it helps my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.